Driving workflow efficiency in a clinical laboratory setting is difficult even in the best of times. But with limited resources, limited budget, increased demand, and limited time to train staff efficiently, it's more important now than it ever has been.
For clinical microbiology labs, the Anoxomat Anaerobic Jar System drives workflow efficiency in 3 key areas. First, it saves time. Clinical laboratories oftentimes analyze results at 48 or 72 hours for many sample types, and this can be reduced to 24 to 48 hours, therein saving the lab up to 50% of diagnosis time due to the faster growth of the bacteria. Secondly, increased productivity. Clinical technologists can save time in their workflow and complete samples while running the instrument, still being assured that the quality growth conditions for their samples have been created and maintained during the incubation period. Lastly, save money. Clinical labs indicate a 10% time savings to technologists, which can result in up to $10,000 in cost savings. But even without that being figured in, cost savings due to reduced biohazard use and workflow cost mean you can pay off your instrument purchase on an average of 2 years. To use the Anoxomat system is simple. It takes only 4 easy steps. First, you will load your Petri dish samples into the Petri dish holders. Those Petri dish holders are then loaded into the jars. If you require Paladox, you will add Paladox at this time to create an anaerobic environment, and seal your jars by securing the lids. Once the lids are secure, you can then attach the connection and connect the jars to the Anoxomat system. You would then choose the appropriate environment and press Start or Continue. Once you've selected Start, the system will go through a number of quality checks, including a catalyst and seal test. It will then go through 3 cycles where it will evacuate and replace the environment that you would like to create. During this time, which is about 3 to 5 minutes, the technician can go and plate additional plates or continue their workflow, maximizing their efficiency. Once complete, you can place these into an incubator. I wanted to talk a bit about the results. The Anoxomat system minimizes the risk of false negative results compared to gas pack methods because of its reliable evacuation and replacement method. You can see several specific examples listed in the graph where the Anoxomat got faster and more reliable results. Hospitals that use the Anoxomat indicate a leaner workflow, reducing waste of tech's time up to 10% and saving the hospital up to $10,000 annually in technicians' time alone. The immediate establishment of the environment suitable for optimal growth of bacteria leads to an approximate 6-hour decrease in culture time before identification, but again, hospitals using the Anoxomat report many times this allows identification at 24 to 48 hours rather than 48 to 72. Scores of publications exist using the Anoxomat system, and our supportive and amazing customer base speaks for itself. Find out more about the Anoxomat Jar System and how it can drive efficiency in your lab today by checking out our website or by requesting a virtual demo.